Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mfnoor and welcome to my channel, Recipes for Tasty Food. I have been cooking for over 40 years and I'll be sharing and guiding you with my international recipes, so watch and enjoy. Today I'll be showing you how to make crispy and juicy drumsticks. So for this we're going to be preparing two mixes. One for marination, the other one for dry coating. We're starting with around 6 drumsticks with skin off. We're going to remove the skin, and we're going to form deep cuts into the chops. That will help the marination process to reach till the inner part of the meat. So we have made deep cuts into the meat, hitting till the bone, so the marination process will be formed much better inside. So here we have the recipe for it. We need ingredients are salt, black pepper, paprika, ginger, yogurt, lemon, water, and vinegar. Okay. So we're going to have all these mixed with the water, yogurt. So, and we're going to leave this process. Here we're going to be using either vinegar or lemon, so you don't have to use both. So we're going to be using vinegar in our case, 2 tablespoons. So in the bowl here we have the mixture and marination. We're going to refrigerate for 3 hours. Cover it with a plastic glad. So make sure the mixture is well absorbed into the meat. So just like this, we're just going to poke it in and mix it. Make sure that it's well marinated. And then now here we're going to have the dry mixture for coating. So here we're going to need white flour, oregano, corn flour, paprika, coriander, black pepper, salt. So here we have the black pepper, the salt, all the mixture. So mix them all together. This will form the dry coating mix that we're going to be using after we dip from the marination. We're going to coat it with this mixture. This mixture is going to form a certain, like a texture, the crispy part. So the marination is doing the inner part for being tenderness and juicy from inside, and the coating will do the crispy from the outside. Note here the process of doing the coating. We take out from the marination, we then dry coat it, and then we're going to put it back into the dip and then coat the dry coating again onto it. So make sure you follow this process well. So first we're going to remove from the marination, make sure the excess is shaken off, and we put them into and then we're going to put it into the dry mix. So now we have them all out from the dip. So we're going to do the dry mix. So make sure we coat well. And now we're going to put it back into the marinated dip. So note here, the one main thing of our recipe is different is that we are using yogurt. So yogurt, usually most of them they use water, but here we are using yogurt. Yogurt gives a certain tenderness from till inside. Just shake off the excess and do the dry coating again. Coat it well, and then we're going to put it aside. So make sure that it gets really coated inside also into the cuts. So once that is done, make sure so let's put it aside, and then when all of them are done, and then we're going to preheat the oil and then start the frying process. So here we have our 6 coated drumsticks ready for deep frying. So we're going to put it in a preheated oil, and afterwards please note, turn the flame to low. So once it gets preheated, we don't want to cook at high flame, we want to cook it at low flame, so from inside it becomes very tender and the coating becomes very crispy. Make sure you monitor the process, doesn't get overcooked, and when it's golden in color, make sure also that you turn over so all sides are cooked, fried well. We are using a small pot, but of course you could have a larger pot and you could put more pieces into it for deep frying. In our case, we have a small pot we are using, and we're going to be using one by one. So take them out when they're done. Make sure the oil is drained. So and set them aside into the dish. So now, okay, we're going to. If you look at the texture, it's really nice. It's crispy from outside, and it will be juicy in the inside. You should try this, and please comment, give us your feedback on it, and make sure you try it. So let's put all of them on to the plate. And make sure, guys, please subscribe for our upcoming videos, share our link, like it, and for sure, please give us your feedback. That's very important for us. Enjoy the delicious taste of our crispy and juicy drumsticks, MFN style.